In today's review, we're diving into the Tcl Qm7 65-inch TV, a model that boasts impressive features and performance. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Stick around as we explore its design, display, audio, smart features, and more, and uncover some surprising downsides you might want to consider before making your decision. The Tcl Qm7 features a height-adjustable pedestal stand that accommodates a variety of room arrangements, though its depth might pose challenges for smaller media consoles. In terms of aesthetics, the TV sports slim chrome bezels and a textured back panel which add a touch of sophistication to its overall look. The pedestal stand enhances its stability and gives the TV a balanced appearance, but its bulkier design might feel less refined compared to the ultra-thin stands found on some competitors. The design feels modern and sturdy, but does it exude the premium vibe of its pricier rivals? While functional and elegant, the Qm7's design might leave some buyers longing for a sleeker, minimalist finish seen in higher-end options. For the latest offers, check out the Amazon link in the video description. The Tcl Qm7 boasts a 65-inch QD mini LED display with 4K resolution, offering up to 144Hz variable refresh rate. The panel supports advanced HDR formats, including Dolby Vision IQ, with a peak brightness of up to 2400 nits and over 1500 local dimming zones. Picture quality on the Qm7 is where the TV truly shines. The QD mini LED technology brings incredible depth to images, producing deep blacks and brilliant highlights. This combination creates stunning contrast and makes content pop, whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing the latest video game. The wide color gamut ensures vibrant, accurate colors, making this TV a great choice for cinephiles and gamers alike. Its high brightness levels also make it ideal for viewing in brightly lit rooms. However, some users have reported that HDR performance occasionally suffers due to software inconsistencies, which can impact the overall experience. Despite this, the Qm7 generally delivers a picture quality that rivals some more expensive models. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analyses of the latest tech. The TV comes equipped with a 2.1-channel Onkyo speaker system, delivering 50 watts of sound output. It also supports advanced audio technologies like Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, enhancing the surround sound experience. When it comes to audio performance, the Tcl Qm7 offers clarity and depth that surpasses many TVs in its price range. Dialogues are crisp, and the bass is punchy enough to handle action scenes without distortion. Dolby Atmos adds a layer of immersion, creating a three-dimensional soundstage that enhances movies and games. However, while the built-in system is more than adequate for casual viewing, serious audiophiles might still want to invest in a dedicated soundbar or home theater system for a truly cinematic experience. What are your thoughts on TV audio quality? Share your experiences in the comments below. The Qm7 runs on Google TV, providing a smooth and intuitive user experience with access to countless streaming apps and services. It features hands-free Google Assistant for voice commands and is compatible with Alexa and Apple HomeKit. Connectivity options include 4 HDMI inputs, 2 USB ports, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. The Google TV platform is fast, responsive, and easy to navigate, offering personalized recommendations and a unified search feature that helps you find content across all your subscribed services. The included backlit remote features voice control and feels comfortable in the hand, while the hands-free voice assistant allows you to control the TV without needing the remote at all. Gaming enthusiasts will appreciate the HDMI 2.1 ports and gaming-focused features like auto low latency mode, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and a game bar for real-time performance monitoring. While the platform is robust, occasional software bugs affecting features like HDR playback might require patience or future updates. If you found this information helpful, please like this video to support the channel. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing this TV? The cons: software inconsistencies affecting HDR picture quality. Stand design may not accommodate all media consoles. Mediocre viewing angles. Pros: high peak brightness suitable for well-lit rooms. Vibrant colors with wide color gamut. Comprehensive gaming features including 144Hz VRR and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. User-friendly Google TV interface with hands-free voice control. In conclusion, the Tcl Qm7 65-inch TV offers impressive display capabilities and smart features at a competitive price point. It's a solid choice for those looking for vibrant picture quality, immersive audio, and versatile gaming features. For the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.